Oh yeah, how's it going, everyone? It's Logan here. We're back again for another video, baby. And I'm sorry I can't be too loud because like people trying to sleep, But today we're reacting to IU fan cam because one, I love IU. Two, you love IU. Three, we all love IU. Okay, so we're reacting to it. Do you want to subscribe to my channel? Nah, but recently she had a concert and I've been subscribed to this YouTube channel called For You for a while now, and they post IU, fan cams and also fan cams of like Twice as well sometimes. And to be honest, I love the IU fan cams because hearing her voice live, it is a blessing. And like, I just want to watch this because it's also of one of my favorite IU songs, but I can never pronounce it. It's Jam. That it starts with Jam. I love the song. I was listening to it before when I was having a shower, and I was like, ay. Seriously, her voice is probably one of the most healing out there. You know what I mean? Hopefully you know what I mean. Just like, it just makes you feel, it makes you feel good. Her singing makes you feel good. So I just can't wait to get into this. So let's just do it. Oh. Oh. Okay, so there's someone said in a comment section of a video that she forgot the melody of one of the fan cams, and it must be this one. Oh. Nah, I don't know what she's saying, but nah. I want to learn Korean, man. Hey, oh my god. Hey, I want to go to a concert so bad. Something I've realized with IU, her music doesn't get to your ears, it gets to your heart. It gets to your heart, and I love it. Oh my god. Go off. Oh, she's so cute as well. She's just like feeling it. She's like, yeah. Oh, heaven. It's heaven. Yeah. I would learn Korean just for IU. Seriously. She asked me to do it. I had to. I might not be the best singer. I love how she's just dressed so casually for a concert as well. I love it. It just shows like she wants to just be casual with her fans. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, the vibes, the vibes. I love her. I just love her. You know it. I know it. Yes! You go, girl. You go. Hey! I'm jealous of everyone. Ah. No. Oh man, I just love her to pieces. I seriously just love her to... Why? Why do you do this to me? Are you? Why? I love you so much. Why you do this? Man, if I ever meet IU, I would give her one big high five and be like, thank you for being awesome. And I'll be one happy person. Seriously, one happy person if I ever got to meet her. Oh, it's part of my goal. And I would love to speak Korean as well. That's also part of my goal. Or my dream. Oh, someone, please teach me. I did used to learn it, but it was just so hard studying by myself, you know, and I had to like pronounce things by myself, and I didn't know if I was correct or not. That's why I need a teacher. But anyways, that was such a beautiful stage. Oh, so freaking beautiful. I wonder if she's got, does she have one for autumn morning? Oh my god, if there's a stage for autumn morning, I will 100% react to that as well, because that will be beautiful. Thank you guys all for watching. If you guys enjoyed, show some support by leaving a like. Comment down below how much you love IU. That's gonna be a lot. That's gonna be a lot of comments about how much you love IU, because we all love her. And subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because there's gonna be more IU reactions in the future. So subscribe for that. And yeah, other than that, have a great day. Peace.